You've been there. You spent time crafting what you thought was the perfect sandwich, only for it to collapse into a soggy, wet mess the moment you pick it up. That right there is a structural failure, and it's completely avoidable.
The secret is in the press.
This sandwich has been sitting here for 4 hours, and it's still perfectly crisp. The difference? Avoiding 5 tiny mistakes that are secretly ruining your lunch. Let's expose them. Mistake number 1. You're not drying your wet ingredients. It seems obvious, but this is the primary offender. You're looking at the enemy, uncontrolled moisture. Bread acts like a sponge. This process is called osmosis. It's science, and it's relentlessly turning your bread into pulp. See this? This is the enemy in its purest form. This is what that water does to your bread's structure. Total destruction. Mistake number 2. You're layering your ingredients in the wrong order. Placing wet ingredients like tomatoes directly on the bread is a guaranteed recipe for sogginess. Look at the difference. The structure is compromised before you even take a bite. It doesn't matter if it's tomatoes, pickles, or cucumbers. If they're on the bottom, the result is always the same. Mistake number 3. Using thin, watery sauces and applying them directly to the bread. These types of dressings are designed to penetrate, which is great for salads, but fatal for sandwiches. Your choice of condiment is critical. If it runs like water, it will act like water. Mistake number 4 is a foundational error. You're choosing the wrong type of bread. Soft, airy breads have no defense against moisture or weight. They are built to fail. And the final mistake, assembling and wrapping it hours before you eat. This plastic wrap creates a humidity dome, trapping moisture against your bread. You've essentially steamed your own creation. The crunch is gone.
The key to a great sauce starts
Now,
right here.
for the secrets.
Look at the
The most
texture of
powerful
this
tool against
beautiful,
sogginess is a
softened
fat
butter.
barrier.
It's absolutely perfect.
Think butter, mayonnaise, or even cream cheese. You must cover the entire surface, edge to edge. Fat is hydrophobic. It repels water. This simple layer is your sandwich's first line of defense. Mayonnaise is an excellent choice for a fat barrier, providing both protection and flavor. This technique works for any carrier, from sourdough to bagels. Your defense system continues here. Dry your greens completely. A salad spinner is your best friend. For tomatoes, slice them and let them rest on a paper towel. This step is non-negotiable. Your goal is flavor and texture, not a waterlogged mess. An advanced technique is to salt your tomatoes to pull out even more water before assembly. Now, we build a fortress. After your fat barrier, add a shield layer. Cheese and cured meats work perfectly. They are dense and non-porous. Now, and only now, do you add your wettest ingredients. They rest safely on the shield. The dry greens go on last. Your bread is now protected from both above and below. The formula is always the same: barrier, shield, wet, dry. Master this, and you've mastered the sandwich. For a truly superior sandwich, you need a superior bread. Think sturdy. Look for a thick, well-developed crust and a dense crumb. A pro tip: lightly toasting the bread first creates an even stronger, less permeable surface. It starts with the baker. Quality bread is the soul of a great sandwich. You want to hear that sound? That's the sound of a strong foundation. Finally, to preserve your masterpiece, throw away the plastic wrap. Use parchment paper. This is crucial. Parchment paper is breathable. It prevents that trapped humidity. For transport, a hard container prevents the sandwich from being squished. So, let's review. The old way versus the right way. 4 hours later. The difference isn't just visible, it's scientific. This is the sound of success. No sogginess, just pure flavor and texture. Exactly as it was intended. Look at those clean lines. No bleeding of moisture between layers. This is about reclaiming your lunch. No more sad, soggy meals.
It is amazing.
It's a sandwich strong enough for anyone to handle. That's the taste of victory over sogginess. It's a difference you can both see and taste. The power to build a better sandwich is now in your hands. Five simple changes, one perfect result.
This is about reclaiming your lunch. No more sad, soggy meals.
Now you know the science. You can now make a sandwich in the morning and enjoy it for lunch without any compromise. It's a difference you can both see and taste.
Try it and tag me.
Now you know the science. Don't just watch, try it and tag me.